Middle of last month, I bring you guys the latest update from the ongoing construction of the Onitsha New Market Road. So today I'm back with another update, but not just road update, but as well to show you the views of some of the streets you can find within the Onitsha New Market Road and the Old Market Road, what they looks like this 2025. Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I gave you guys another update on this channel. So today we are currently at Obom Manor in Onitsha Main Market. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we're gonna be showing you all the views, the looks of the Onitsha New Market Road and the Old Market Road on this particular video, and as well take you down and show you the latest update from the ongoing construction of the Onitsha New Market Road. So currently we are at the Old Market Road. From that Obom Manor, you take your right, you head down to the Old Market Road. By the left, you take down to the New Market Road. So we are currently at the Old Market Road, heading down to some other axes. So this particular road will connect you down to Ose, and as well there's a lot of things along this road. Here is where you're gonna find the MTN office, and as well find the old Onitsha post office, which allegedly have been sold, but you're gonna be seeing everything on this video and see the looks of the post office, and as well see the MTN. And right now we are speedily, this is the MTN, actually not even speedily approaching, we are already at the MTN office. So that's the MTN office. The other one is DHL office. So if you find yourself in Onitsha and you are looking for MTN office, just head over to this Onitsha Old Market Road. They already have another one at Mpo, around the Mpo axis, but if you find your way around this Onitsha vicinity, maybe close to this area, where you can find the MTN office is along this road, and that is what I showed you. So right now we are at the Onitsha post office. You can see the way it is deserted. So according to what I heard, allegedly it has been sold. So, and some demolition are being done on it, but currently nothing is happening over there. Some of the demolition they did has happened, and I think they have stopped. So because I cannot see anyone on site the day I visited here. So this is the looks of the post office currently. So on this video, actually I'm gonna be showing you also all the views of the street. There's a lot of streets along this area. The street that will link you back to the Old Market Road and link you to the New Market Road. A lot of streets is around this axis. You can see one, I showed you one before we arrived here, and this is another one. This one is just after the post office. You will see this one. So I'm going to explore this one down to the the New Market Road, and then from that New Market Road we head down a little bit and as well follow another street back to Old Market Road. That is how the two roads we are linked together with all the street, and this is the views of these particular streets. And out of the all the streets I found here, I think I choose the one that is very more cleaner than the others, which I will also be showing you on this video. Until we get there, you're gonna see everything for yourself. So we are currently in the street, and this is another street heading down and going up. So this place is actually linked together. I will say it is well planned. You cannot lost in this area. Any street you follow here will link you to one another, will link you to another one. So it's hard for you to lost in this particular place. So that thing you just see me film was I was kind of directed by someone to film it, because the day I went for this filming was on Monday. Sit at home, and people were actually sitting at home, and due to some of the major markets are yet to be opened. So I think the residents in that street actually took out their time or contributed money to do that maintenance you saw there. Maybe that place has a pothole, so they contributed money and fix it. So the person actually asked me to video, so I have to do it for them. So that is it. Another thing I noticed while exploring, or maybe why viewing all these street, is that I noticed that the sit at home is gradually easing down. Is not the way it was before. Is not actually the way it was before, not so strict anymore, because a lot of people are now coming out. Even some little markets are now opening. Even keke riders are now everywhere, so it is easing down gradually. So the only place that is still under lock and key is all the major markets in Onitsha. So I'm going to be showing you everything. From here we head down small, then we take another street, then show you, go down a little bit again from the old market road, and actually show you the the Egerton and how it is bubbling, even though today is sit at home. So this is another street, and this particular street is the one I said is more is looking more okay and more cleaner than the others, and the street is quite quiet or something. And here you can find some banks like Fidelity, UBA, and the rest. So from this street we head down to the old market road again, then from there you head down to Egerton. So continue watching the video until I have more updates to give you guys. So after all this all this arena, we'll be heading down to the where the construction of the road is happening, and show you everything you need to know. So this is Egerton in Onitsha before you head down to Ose. So we're not going to be going down straight to Ose, so we take another turn. So this is another street, and this particular street is gonna also be linking us back to to the new market road. Even if you go down a little bit from that Egerton axis, you're gonna see other many streets that will still link you back to the new market road, which would now take you maybe inside markets, or inside the Mekofo, or inside anywhere, so, or maybe Young Shagru and the rest of them. So this is another street, and this street is linking us back to the new market road, and from there I will now be showing you some of the the road construction that is happening, and where the re-asphalting that was going on the last time I visited, where it is currently stopped. So, and this is, I think we are currently approaching the new market road. We are not yet there. This is just the another street within this area. Like I told you, this particular area is well planned. Everywhere within this area have their own streets, so it's well planned. They link to one another. Like, you cannot ever get lost within this area. You must definitely come out somewhere if you follow any street here. So they link to each other. They have similar link to each other, so you can never get lost within this area. It's very is linked, and all the road are tied, even though some of the asphalting, some of the asphalted road has getting to their dilapidated stage, but you can know that it is properly planned, and they have been asphalted before. So that is it. So you can see the street lights. So we are speedily approaching the new market road, where I will show you the latest road construction. So this is it, guys. You can see that demarcation there. That is where the re-asphalting is currently the last time we visited, they have not gotten to that place, but this time they have gotten there, and I think they are not heading down anymore. Like maybe they will still come back when they are done with other exits. So from here we'll be heading down to inside the main market to show you level of work that is going on, what they have, where they are currently, and any changes that we saw this last time we visited. So the only thing I can say that has been improved from the previous one that we visited is the drainage system, and the whole place is looking so unkept and so dirty, So but what I find out here is that I think it rained recently, and that is why the road was so dirty. This place is very clean. So what I'm about to show you when we head down a little bit. So they are currently still doing the gutter construction and the rest. Honestly, what I saw in this axis, I think this particular place needs a total like a total rehabilitation. I don't know how to put it. Like, the whole place is not looking nice at all. It's not looking nice. I just hope that when this construction will be completed and done, that it should look more better than this. That is what I'm hoping, because it's very dirty and looks unkept, honestly. So from my right hand side, they are currently doing the drainage system construction. They have not started my left hand side own. So they are currently at that right hand side own. So very soon maybe they will complete that one and head to another location. Though along this road you can see the one they have completed also, which I'll be showing you once we get keep going down. I will show you everything. So there's the one they have completed, and this one is still under construction. I think they are about to drop the rod inside the dog drainage system or something. So from here we're going to be heading down. You can see how unkept everywhere is looking, though it rained recently. That's why you find too many nylons on the road. It is a kind of flaw that bring all those things there. So I'm hoping once this particular project is on, it will look more cleaner. So this is a Ebuka, and this road will definitely link you back to that old market road, and as well can take you to is it Young Shagro, or what is it called? So all those axes. So over here I will show you the completed drainage system, which you are currently seeing. This is it. They have completed this axis, and it's still going down. So that is it. So from here we're going to be head down a little bit where this construction actually started. All those area where the construction started from down has been asphalted. They have been asphalted down to some certain point where they stopped, where they currently are when we visited. So you can see, so all these axis has been asphalted down to where this road started. So you're gonna watch them down, and then I'll also turn around to show you the remaining parts. Not everywhere has been completely asphalted. There are some side that has received, like should I say, one-sided asphalting, while the other side of it is yet to receive on the day we visited. So maybe by now they would have been completed, those axes down to where they currently are before the should I say Ebuka for axis, or maybe within that Sokoto road side. So continue watching the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe. Click on the the like button, click on the share button to get to others, in order for them to also watch. For my old subscribers who always come back to watch my video, I really appreciate. Thank you so much for always remembering me, even though I'm not very active for now. So, and for the new subscribers, welcome to the family. Do turn on your notification button so that you get notified each time we publish a new video. Thank you guys. Do have a wonderful day. Continue watching the video to see where the asphalting currently ended for now. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day once more. Peace.